Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our bed wheelhouse tub for the 67 to 72 Ford trucks. This high quality panel fits either the driver or passenger side and is made from durable 19 gauge steel. It's stamped to match the original style, giving you that factory fit look. It not only restores the strength and structure of your truck's bed, but also seamlessly blends in with the original body lines. The durability and solid construction make it ideal for show quality restorations or for daily drivers. If you're looking for a long-lasting, authentic solution, this wheelhouse is a must-have for your Ford pickup. And as always, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.